Happy Friday. Today is Friday. We are finally in September. Cooler weather. It's just all things fall. I'm getting all the fall feels right now. As I was leaving out the house, got some packages, so I'm excited about that. I'll be sharing that with you guys as well. But right now, I'm on my way to eye doctor's appointment. I have my eye exam today, and I have to pick up some materials from Sefton's school. So that's what I'm doing right now. Also, I was talking to my mom the other day. We were together, and I had the bright idea to make some changes in my laundry room, just because I'm kind of like over what I have in there now. It's like this teal blue thing that I had going on, and I'm just over it now. So I shopped my home first to see exactly what I had at the house, and I had quite a few things that I didn't even realize I still had. But yeah, so I'll share that with you guys. I did purchase a new rug for the laundry room from At Home. So I'll share that too. And okay, I think I'm in the right place. And so yeah, I'm gonna kind of do a little laundry room refresh kind of thing. I'm not gonna do anything drastic. I'm not painting. I'm not like adding shelves or anything. I like the setup. It's very simple. I have a very small laundry room. So it's very simple, but I just want to update a few things, if you know what I mean. So I do need to get a couple more like storage, like jars and containers, which I'm sure I can find at like HomeGoods. My mom said that HomeGoods would be a good place for that. So I'm going to go to HomeGoods and see what I can find. I also want to get a new sign for the laundry room, and I want to get a new basket. So that is what's on the agenda for today. Right now, I'm just in the line at Sefton's school, waiting to get the materials that I need. And I do have my mask. Hi.
Hey, what grade level?
First grade.
Okay, so you're gonna go past the archway, follow that red car around the cars.
Okay.
And then park along the sidewalk and look for the teacher name on the cart.
Thank you. Sanitize before and after. So yeah, I'm gonna get to my appointment, and then I will check back in with you guys either before or after I go to HomeGoods. I don't know, it just depends. Sometimes I forget to record when I go to HomeGoods, but either way, I'll share everything that I picked up. I'll go through the decor process and all that with you guys in this vlog. So yeah, I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. All right, y'all, so I am just getting out of my eye exam. Everything went well. I don't know if you guys know, but I wear contacts. Clear. I don't wear like colored contacts, but they're clear contacts. I'm blind. I can't see a lick. So, got that. I brought my own snack. So I have this Think bar. It's a chocolate chip cookie Think bar. And I made my own coffee before I left the house because I was not going to be tempted to stop at Starbucks today. Although it is the weekend, I said, nope, I'm not gonna do it. So I made my own iced coffee before I left the house, and I brought my own snack. I ordered the pumpkin cake pods a couple days ago, and I did get an email saying that they're out for delivery. So can't wait to try those. So anyway, I'm gonna get on my little mission, eat my little snack off camera, and yeah, I'll check back in with you guys a little later. Bye. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna show you what I picked up yesterday from HomeGoods and Target. Also what I got from At Home. So first thing I got was this rug. This is the rug that I'm gonna be using in my laundry room. And it was $14.99 from At Home. And then I picked up some more wool dryer balls from HomeGoods. These were $9.99. I got this basket that I'm going to use for the wool dryer balls. This was also $9.99, but I'm going to take this out and just use the basket. So I'm not going to use this. I got another glass jar. And this has nothing to do with the laundry room, but I picked up some hand soap by Method and dish soap for the kitchen. And then I got this laundry basket, which was $19.99. So this is everything that I purchased yesterday. Now I'm going to show you the things that I actually shopped my home for that I'm going to use. So 1 second. All right, guys, so these are the items that I already owned in my home that I just pulled out to see if I can make it work in the laundry room, and I think that I can. So I have these 3 baskets. I believe I got these maybe from Hobby Lobby or something years ago. I honestly can't remember, but I had got them when Sefton was like a baby. I used them for like his toy storage, and I just kept them. So those were stored up in his closet. Actually, I had forgot all about them. So I got those 3 baskets. I got this tray. This was actually in my bathroom, kind of housing my you know, perfumes and stuff, but I did some rearranging in there, so I didn't need it anymore. That jar was just an empty jar that I had when I was doing my like pantry little makeover, so it was just left over. It's the smaller one, so I think that will work well for laundry detergent. And then these wicker baskets, I'm thinking about taking the white bins down and replacing it with this. I'm not sure yet. I'll have to see if I can make it work, but these are from HomeGoods and I've had them for years. I also use these in my pantry as well, but I have made some changes in there recently, so I don't need those anymore. So this is everything that I'm going to be using to kind of redo my laundry room. I'm going for just a more simple, minimal, modern look, because what I have now, I like it. There's absolutely nothing wrong with what's in there now. I'm just kind of over that blue. So I just want to mix it up a little bit and kind of make everything kind of flow, because this will flow with the rest of the house versus that. And my laundry room is connected to my kitchen, so this will also kind of flow with the kitchen as well. So that's the plan. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'll set the camera up and so you guys can kind of see me taking everything down and kind of rearranging everything. So I'll speed it up a little bit for you, but yeah, so let's get started. I am done and just wanted to come and show you all the finished products. So I did decide to switch out those white bins that I had up top, and I just added some additional like overflow detergent and things like that, bleach. In here I just have my like Swiffer tools and wet cloths in there. In here I just have my like garment bags that I use to wash like my more delicate items. And then down here, wool dryer balls in. My laundry pods, these are both mine and Sefton's. I only buy the Tide Free for him. These are Method scent boosters for the laundry. This is an old candle that I took the wax out, washed it, and now I'm using it for my dark wool light pods because I do use those in all of my dark loads. And then this is just that little faux plant that I had by my coffee station. I just moved it in here just to add some greenery. So these are just me and Seth's velvet hangers that I use in our closets. I just pulled those out and put those here too. And then the sign, I did purchase that yesterday from Hobby Lobby as well, but it fell out the bag. It was in a trunk. I knew I had bought a sign, I just could not find it. So that's the sign that I got, and I just put that above the laundry basket. So yeah, very pleased with how it turned out.